So guys, question is, what is the force between two charged sphere having charges 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart? So let us solve this problem. To solve this problem, we can use Coulomb's law. So what Coulomb's law says, that force is equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where K is constant and it has value of 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q1 Q2 are charges and R is a distance between the two charges. So F can be written as value of K is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Value of charge 1 is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. So let us put this value. So it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Q2 is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Right? Divided by distance. Here distance is given, but it is given in centimeters. So we have to convert this distance into meter. So this can be written as 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters and square of that, because here we have taken a square of r. So let us solve this question. So F is equal to 9, 2 3s are 6 into 10 raised to 9 minus 6 minus 7 minus 7 divided by square of 30 is 900 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this 9 ones are, this one becomes 100. So F can be written as 6 into 10 raised to 9 minus 7 is 9 minus how much? 9 minus 14 is minus 5 divided by 10 raised to 2 minus 4. So F is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 5 plus 2. So F is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. So this is the force acting between the two charged sphere. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up and follow our channel. Thank you very much. Take care.